Hello Dotties. Today we're going to do a D experiment for the week D, which is going to be dancing rice. You're going to need some water, a few grains of rice, some vinegar, some bicarbonate of soda, a clear container, a spoon, and some food coloring, which is optional. So pour 1 cup of water into your clear container, not all the way to the top. Leave some room so that it doesn't pour over onto the surface. And then add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the water and stir. Stir it thoroughly so that it properly mixes. Okay. And then next, you're going to sprinkle a little bit of rice into the mixture. What's the rice doing now? Can you see? Some of it is at the bottom and some is still floating on the top. Now add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to your rice, water, and baking soda mixture. Can you see the bubbles forming in there? The vinegar is reacting with the baking soda in the water and it's making some bubbles. I changed my experiment from using rice, which wasn't working very well, because there were no bubbles that were attaching themselves to the rice. But then I've got more bubbles here attaching themselves to the spaghetti, and as you can see, some of them are starting to just come up to the top and then go back down again once the bubbles have been lost to the surface of the water. Okay, let's just wait. There's another one that looks like it's about to come up. Come on, come on. Oh, it's gone back down. Okay, it does take a while for them to get any motion to go up to the top. But once they've got big bubbles attached to them, then they start to come up. There's another one on the end there, trying to come up. I think if you put in less bits of spaghetti or less bits of rice, brown rice works well, then it will work much easier. Okay, I added a little bit more vinegar in there, and now they're all bubbling up to the top. Can you see that? I don't know if, oh, there it is. It's visible from the side. It's all dancing up and down. Isn't that pretty? So that's your dancing spaghetti bits, actually, because the rice didn't work. Oh, that is awesome. I could watch this forever. Okay, so initially I'd added just 1 tablespoon of vinegar, but this, what got the dancing spaghettis to dance was 3 tablespoons of vinegar. So you can adjust your experiment to make it 3 tablespoons. And there you have it, Dotties. Dancing spaghetti. Awesome. I hope you enjoy doing your experiment at home, and remember to ask your parents' permission first before you do anything. I just added some food coloring to our mixture. The spaghetti is still dancing and it looks like little bits of electricity shooting out of there. Made it look pretty for a little bit. Can you see the bubbles are still coming up, bubbling to the surface? Even though the spaghetti has stopped dancing. I'm just going to add a little bit more vinegar. There's some spaghetti dancing stuff. Okay. So that was our D experiment. Dancing spaghetti, not dancing rice. But if you do have some brown rice, please try it with the brown rice. Then it will be dancing rice. They're still trying to move at the bottom there. The bubbles are going up and moving the spaghetti. Oh, wow. I'm going to be watching this for hours. Why do you have such big lungs? So I've been pouring some vinegar into it a little bit at a time, from time to time, just to keep them dancing. And they come up and keep dancing like this. Okay, so I'm going to stop now because the video is going to be too long. So please try this experiment at home if you can. The food coloring is optional, it just makes it look, well, a little bit prettier. But please try it. Parents, please do this with your kids. If you can, you don't have to. But it's a really fun experiment for this week. I hope you had a great week. Enjoy the experiment. Have a great day and stay safe, everyone. Bye.